Hello everyone and welcome back to another video on my channel. In today's video we are going to do a nail favorites for 2023. So all my favorite nail related products, whether I got it from a distributor, from Amazon, from Temu, I am going to share with you today. So if you're curious to see what my favorites are for 2023, just keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing I wanted to share with you are these labels that I got from Amazon, and they are the 6mm. They're white labels with black font, and you get them in a pack of 3. So the pack of 3 was like $17. I think they might have gone up to a little over $20 now, but that's still way cheaper than I think it was like $20 for one at Staples. And this fits my Brother PTouch 1290 label maker. So this is what the labels look like on the swatch stick. I like them nice and narrow. The black font, it makes it easy to read. So that's actually the only thing I got from Amazon. Next is stuff I got from Temu, and I purchased 2 of these, I guess, fur squares for my pictures when I take pictures of the nails at the end of the service. It's a really nice backdrop. The quality is really, really good. I think this was under $7. Next is this blinged out dust brush. I got this $7 or $8 and I liked it so much that I went and bought 2 more, because this one that I bought from Temu was quite small, so not the size that I'm used to. But I love the red color and it works just as well as the blinged out bigger one, so it was not a waste of money. Now this one here I got from Coco and Claire, I believe, so the blinged out dust brush is the same size. So that's what I was kind of looking for. So what ended up happening is I ordered 2. I accidentally put the wrong address down and Temu delivered my package to my neighbor next door. Well, when I couldn't find it, they resent the whole order again, and I ended up finding the original order, the package. It was at my neighbor's, so now I got all these dust brushes. I am well stocked in blinged out dust brushes. I've seen these particular dust brushes for sale, not at a professional only distributor, but a DIY distributor, and I think she sells hers for $28, so I think I really got a good bargain. Next, I bought a bunch of these plastic boxes with lids, and this was also in that original order that got sent to my neighbor's house. So I ended up getting double the amount, and this is just absolutely perfect. I can fit all my clients' tools in there, and it gets stored away. It's so much easier to grab all of their stuff for their services. Each box I do have labeled with their names on it, and the labels easily come off if that client decides not to come anymore, and I can disinfect the box and use it for a new client. Also in that order, I got 10 dust brushes, so I use this with alcohol to get the dust out of the sidewalls and underneath the nails to clean up the nails. And so far these are quite durable. I wasn't too sure how they were going to be, but they do last quite a long time. The 2-sided sticky tape that I use when I'm using nail tips if I'm doing art, like you see here, and I think this was under $3. Swatch sticks. Okay, I'm really picky with my swatch sticks. They all have to be the exact same, so I stocked up on all my swatch sticks. There's 100 to a package that comes with the metal rings, and I like these ones in particular because of the rounded edge or the rounded top, and these are oval shaped. And I've inspected them and they are all in good condition, like there's no defective ones, so I'm well stocked up for a while now. Next, I got this as a set, so I put some Q-tips and cotton balls in one, And I actually ended up getting 2 sets of this because yes, this was in that same order that got resent to me. So one I put cotton swabs in, and then the other one I put these really tiny little cotton swabs, which I also got from Temu. These I really love. You can put alcohol or acetone on the ends, and if you accidentally get product on the skin, you can wipe it off without touching the nail itself. This little tool here is so handy. This is like a gem picker-upper that they use in jewelry stores. I like this for cotton swabs, and I use this when I'm stamping to clean the plates instead of grabbing one of my wipes, which are a little bit more expensive. And then I don't need to touch the acetone at all. And this little tool did come in several colors, and it works really well, and it's quite heavy duty. I was surprised. This little container I wanted for my bits after I used them, and I didn't realize it came with a strainer in it, which is absolutely perfect. With a lid and a strainer, I drop my bits in there, clean them up, then I will use RTU for my bits, and it doesn't affect the material, the plastic material at all, so it holds up really nicely. This bit holder, I've been looking at this bit holder for quite a long time. It does come in different colors. After I purchased this, they have a bigger one than this, but I wanted just one bit holder instead of the 3 I had on my table, just for space. And I've seen these on different web stores across Canada as well, and I think this was under $9 when I purchased it. This brush is one of my favorites. There was 2 in a package. One is a angled brush, and this is, I think, what they call a cat tongue brush. I use this for applying my builder gels. It's just the right width, it's just the right length. The stiffness or the softness of the brushes are absolutely perfect. If you have the fusion brush, like this one here, it is very comparable. Next, I got this hot flash fan. This comes in so handy. It's got 2 speeds, an on-off switch, and it goes up and down. It doesn't go side to side, but it does go up and down, and it is quite powerful. The whole thing is plastic, and I had to replace both mine that I got from Walmart. And I know that you can get this one on Amazon as well. This one was $13, so kind of comparable to the price at Walmart, but it works so well. My clients even turn it around and they use it, so I might have to get another one just for them. Okay, on to the professional products. Erica's bits, these diamond bits. They are incredible. I have bought some from Temu and from Amazon. And you guys, don't waste your money. Buy the professional ones. These ones work so well. They last a long time if you use them properly. These were 2 different kits, but I just put them all in one kit. And then the under the nail bit here that I'm showing you on the right, that one works so well. It's my favorite now. Erica has her own YouTube channel. I've watched a lot of her YouTube videos. She explains how to use these bits. Even her Instagram, she goes into detail of how to use these bits. And wow, it really changed my nail game, or my cuticle nail game, if you will, by using these bits in a service. I really wanted to improve my cuticle work without cutting the proximal nail fold if I didn't have to, and just watching the videos using the proper tools really changed that and improved the look of the nails. The next bit that I've fallen in love with is the Erica's Gel X bit. This one is the first bit that I will use when a client comes in to take off their existing color, debulk the nail, shorten the nail, whatever it is. This one is a little workhorse. I absolutely love it. This is another favorite, pink diamond smooth top barrel bit from Nail Couture. This is just another workhorse, another bit that just does the work for you. It saves a lot of stress and pain in your hands when I use this bit. I've shown this before as well, the Ugly Duckling Coarse Sponge Buffer. This is the only one that I use. I absolutely love this one. It lasts quite a long time and it works amazingly well. My new favorite for the past year is the Surface Shaper by Magic Gel, the 150-150 grit. I've tried the 180-180 grit. That one is a good file as well, but this is the one I would gravitate towards the most, so I stocked up on this file, and I love that they come individually wrapped. Okay, on to color. Winter Wanderlust by On Vogue. This blue is so gorgeous. I've even done a French set using this color, and it was so easy to do. It's so easy to work with. Tiffany blue, I've shown this to you guys before. I don't know if they're going to still make it in the pots or not, and I'm not sure if they have it in the lacquet line. I think they might, but I'm not 100% sure on that. BeMi Beauty Box, their creamy gel polishes are amazing. R04 is my favorite, one of my favorite reds. It's got very fine, faint magenta glitter in this red. R05, which is kind of like your shimmery wine, metallic wine color, great for the fall and for the winter season. F07 from their fall collection, this deep dusty navy color. Oh, this one is so pretty. P04, I think this is from their Wanderlust collection, and this is a dusty sage. Oh, this is so gorgeous. Great for the springtime, great for the summer. And then Blossom Metal Leaf is my absolute favorite. It's got a little bit of pink, a little bit of rose gold, and it is super stunning. On to Ugly Duckling. Number 13 is my favorite glitter from Ugly Duckling. Very faint, very fine, looks beautiful over a sheer pink and stunning over a black. I actually used this over 196, the neon yellow today. Number 186 is a silver cat eye. I use so much of this color. I will use this over any color, or I will use a glass gel over top of this cat eye gel polish. There's so much you can do with this one, and so versatile. 231 is a raspberry reflective gel. This is probably my absolute favorite out of their reflective gels. I also like the pink that's on this ring finger here, but this raspberry one is just absolutely gorgeous and great for Valentine's Day that's coming up. Next is number 248, which is this sheer rose pink. This one is gorgeous, just all on its own. Use it as a French like I have in this picture, and this is the Wanderlust from On Vogue. What a great combination. This is such a pretty pink that you don't need anything else. It's stunning. Number 269 is a black gel polish with gold shards of glitter in here. Great for New Year's. Next color is 271 from their Fall Winter Volume 2 collection. Oh, this is so pretty. I actually want to wear it right now. 274 from the same collection is a champagne gold. It applies almost like a metal leaf gel. So easy to work with. Okay, the next color is 164. I could not forget this color. My favorite red with red glitter. And I use this probably a few times every Christmas season. Okay, Magic Gel, Diamond White. This, wow, is such a beautiful, classy color. This is all you need, is just this color. Real gold. You guys know how much I love real gold. I've used it in a lot of Watch Me Works. Great for line art or full coverage nails. Royal Cherry. This one was a hidden treasure. Shimmery wine color, great for Christmas and fall nails. Electric Blue. This one was a surprise. I've had this in my collection. A client saw this, wanted this on her nails, and I fell in love with it. And then the last Magic Gel color, Extravagant. And this is what I'm wearing on my hands right now. This red glitter, oh my gosh. It just, every time I look at my fingers, I drool. Loft Pink, which is from their sheer collections. I'm wearing this on the middle finger. So stunning. And then Opal, the HEMA-free nail guard system. Like, this is so easy to work with, even though it's got glitter in it. Even on tiny nails, just doing a gel overlay, that's all you need. And very durable on a longer nail. And my favorite cuticle oil is the Daddy oil. I've used so many different types of cuticle oils over the years, and this one is hands down my absolute favorite. It actually penetrates deep beneath the skin to condition your skin and moisturize it. So such a superior product. And of course, the Daddy lip balm. I cannot use any other lip balm on the market. This lip balm, you need very little. It actually does soothe and moisturize, and it gets deep beneath the layer of the skin and conditions that dryness. So you know how sometimes you wear chapstick and you feel like your lips are even more chapped? This doesn't do that. Okay, Fusion Finish Cleanser. This is what I use, the very last thing in a service, to wipe off any remnants of dirt, inhibition layer, what have you, from the top coat, even if it is a no wipe top coat, and you get that dirt off. I will use this once or twice during the week just to shine my nails up, just to condition the skin a little bit more, and it just makes my nails look and feel like they're brand new again. Fusion's Gem Gel. This Gem Gel has a top coat built right in it. My only complaint is the lid kind of got a little worn, but I mean, oh well, doesn't deter from how great the product is itself. I found that I was gravitating towards this Gem Gel a lot. If it was warm in my studio, I would go towards the Stick It because it was a little bit thicker and easier to use during the summertime. Okay, Magic's Builder Gels. Holy cow, diamond fiber, brilliant and universal, and silicone thin base. These three are superior products. Silicone thin base is a no lift base gel, and it's the same as the silicone thin base in the bottles. Diamond fiber, oh my gosh, this is a medium viscosity gel. There's no heat or very little heat. There's little fiber particles in here, so this is a very strong gel. I will use this on absolutely everyone with the silicone thin base, and I get zero lifting. And then Brilliant and Universal is a thinner viscosity builder gel, and I will use this over top of glitter to encapsulate. And it is so strong. This one does heat up a little bit.
And then lastly, of course, Jake. Yeah. Okay, that didn't last long. So those are all my favorites for 2023. I had to really narrow it down because there's just so many amazing products out there within the brands that I have in my studio that if I was to show you every single favorite, one I would be repeating year after year, and this video would be probably 2 hours long. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And I just want to say a huge thank you to each and every one of you for your support, for following me this past year, for helping me to reach my goal of 5,000 subscribers on YouTube. That was a huge milestone for me, and I'm forever grateful. So I just want to thank you for that. And I wish each and every one of you happy holidays, a happy new year, and I really hope that 2024 is a fantastic year for each and every one of you. I'm actually looking forward to 2024. With that said, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you all in the next video. Bye guys.